All right, hey guys, welcome back. Today we're talking about something that you probably didn't hear of, or your teacher really doesn't like to teach it because it's really difficult to kind of teach this. So some teachers don't necessarily teach it, but I'm going to try the best that I can. Compatible numbers. Compatible numbers. And compatible numbers are numbers you can multiply or divide with in your head. Let me give you an example. I think if I give you an example, it'll kind of make a little more sense. Okay, so let's say I was dividing 100 divided by 18. And say I didn't have a calculator and I wanted a good estimate on what the answer was. I didn't need an exact answer, but I needed approximately what it was. So what I would do on this, I would round this number up to 20. And instead of dividing by 18, because I don't know right offhand how many times 18 goes into 100. But if I round up to 20 and I divide 100 by 20, I know that 20 goes in there 5 times. So I know my answer is going to be close to 5. It's going to be right around 5. Okay. So it gives me a good estimate on what my answer will be. It doesn't tell me the exact answer, but compatible numbers it's supposed to work so you can do it in your head. Okay, and you don't have to get a calculator out to work it, or you don't have to work it out on paper. But it's really quick math that you can do in your head. So what I would do is I would round that, because the 8 is telling the 1 to go up because it's more than 5. So it would round to 20, and then 20 I know goes into 105 times. Okay, let's look at this example over here. I have no idea how many times 9 goes into 600. Okay, but if I do this and I round this to up 1 to 10, okay, and if I divide 600 by 10, I know exactly what that answer is. Okay, 10 goes into 60, or it goes into 600 60 times. So I know exactly the answer would be 60. So this answer is really close to 60. It's very close to 60. So these would be my compatible numbers. Those are my compatible numbers, 20, 10. Here's some other compatible numbers. 5 is a compatible number. Okay, another one would be 25. Why do you think 25 would be a compatible number? Okay, think about money. How many 25s are in 100? You probably know that right away, don't you? You probably said 4, because you know that there's 4 quarters in $1. So compatible number would be 25. Another compatible number would be 50. 50 is another compatible number, because you know 50 is half of $1. 50 cents is half of $1. Okay, 25 is 1/4 of $1. Okay, so those are some other compatible numbers, along with 10 and 20. Okay, so hopefully, hopefully that will help you in your learning of compatible numbers and dividing with compatible numbers. you round up to a number that you can do in your head. Okay, 10 is close to 9, 20 is close to 18. Okay, and compatible numbers are numbers you can multiply or divide with in your head. All right, I hope that gives you a better understanding of what compatible numbers mean, and that was my best way to describe it. But have a good day of learning, and I hope you understand compatible numbers now. All right, have a good day. Bye, guys.